Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to go in and access Office.com, which is Office 365. All of our students and our staff and faculty all have Office available to them for free. So what you're going to do is just go to Office.com. Now, when you're logging in for the very first time, you're going to be asked for your username and password. And your username and password is going to be the same one that you use for Brightspace and your college email. And you want to put in your full email address for your username and then put in the same password. Okay. Once you get in, one of the things that you want to do is decide if you're going to use the cloud version of the apps or if you want to download the full version so you have it on your computer. The advantage of putting it on your computer is you'll have full access to the full-blown versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access. And you don't have to have internet access to be able to use them. If you want to just use the cloud versions, what you can do is you can go to the app launcher and you can go and say, okay, I want to use Word to write a document. You can just go to Word. Okay. It lets you go in and you can pick from files if you already have some, or just start a blank document and start creating your Word document. Okay, now I actually recommend that you download it. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to go back home. So I would go to install and I would do install Microsoft Office 365 apps. Now if you have a Chromebook, you do not have the ability to download this on your Chromebook. Okay, if you are using a Mac, just so you know, Microsoft Access is not available for Macs at all. So, but Word, Excel, PowerPoint is. All right. So you would go over and you would tell it to install Office. Okay. I already have it on my computer, so I won't be able to do it. Okay. But you want to be able to go in and have the full-blown versions, especially if you're taking like CIS 100 and any of the CIS courses that are going to be using the software from this. Okay. So again, if you go to the apps, you can pick an app that you want to use. If you wanted to, let's say, look for something that you don't see here, you can go to more apps. There's tons of apps available to you. Okay, and you can pick an app. You can see the Calendly, ExamSoft. There's a whole bunch of different ones in here. Okay, so yes, one of the other things that's available to you is OneDrive. Every student has a OneDrive that they can save their stuff to the cloud. So if they're using a public computer, they can go in and they can upload their files and put it in OneDrive. Okay. Now when you're logged into Office.com, it should give you this as an option to save your information to when you go to, especially in the cloud. If you save in the cloud, it will automatically come up as OneDrive, as one of your drives to save it to. Okay, so that's how you get in there. That's how you kind of move around a little bit. And anytime you can go home, you can go back and look at the apps, pick a different software you want to use. If you go back home, you can do the download, the install here, and set that up. So that's a quick way to get in and get started in Office.com or Office 365.